There have been a few stories in the news about parents being awarded custody on a temporary basis due to the COVID-19 outbreak. There was one from Florida where a doctor who works with patients with COVID-19 had her daughter placed with her father on a temporary basis, and there was another about a nurse in a similar situation in England. We've gotten calls from concerned parents about custody in the time of coronavirus, particularly emergency custody, when one parent is concerned about the child's risk of exposure when with the other, which is sometimes amplified by concerns about a child's medical condition. For emergency custody in North Carolina, a parent must show that the child is at risk of substantial bodily injury or sexual abuse, or that there is a risk of the other parent fleeing the state with the child to avoid the North Carolina courts. So far, we just can't say if this will be treated as a substantial risk by our courts. There may be some cases that would rise to the level of an emergency, if the risk of substantial bodily injury could be clearly shown, but that would likely require very specific facts and circumstances. If you believe there is an emergency, not even just limited to the COVID-19 outbreak, you should discuss it with an attorney, and it needs to be carefully considered. Even if you think it rises to the level of an emergency, if a judge disagrees with you, pursuing emergency custody carries the risk of doing more harm than good.